good morning. I'm Dr. Greenwood and I'm at Coolidge Vet, here to talk a little bit about allergies today. So I believe Alyssa has some questions for me.
Dr. Greenwood, what are some of the most common signs of seasonal allergies in pets?
Yeah, so seasonal allergies can show up in many different ways in our pets, and this time of year especially can be pretty harsh on them. It can be something as easy as some reddening of their skin on their bellies and their paws, to licking their paws kind of excessively, scratching at their ears and shaking their head, losing hair sometimes in their armpit areas and their groin areas, and then just redness overall can be the most common signs that we see with our pets.
And then what different environmental allergens can affect pets the most in spring?
Yeah, just like people and just like the pollen counters that we're seeing on the news every day, all of them are the same for pets. So trees and plants, the dust in the soil, food can also cause allergies in pets, and different cleaning products that are used around the house. So again, just like in people, causes of allergies are probably one of the biggest forms that we have throughout that our pets can be exposed to.
And then can over-the-counter antihistamines help my pet?
Yeah, it's a good question. Over-the-counter antihistamines can help to a certain degree, and that's what we would encourage you to see your family veterinarian to help guide on that conversation as to some that are safe to start for your pet. Oftentimes we do find that antihistamines help a little bit, and then they help at first, but then they kind of stop helping for our pets too. So generally we're talking more about adding in some other medications that can be prescribed.
What different lifestyle changes can reduce flare-ups at home?
Yeah, so some things that we can consider, especially if you do think it's environmental, is like wiping off the paws when your pets come in from the outside. Also making little foot baths with Epsom salt diluted in there can help your pets too, that they just kind of get to wipe those allergens off as they come into the house, wiping down their fur and that sort of thing. And then just trying to really find what triggers your pet and avoid that.
Perfect. Are allergies more common in certain breeds?
That's a good question. I kind of feel like they're common in any breed, but there are some breeds such as like our doodles we see a lot of allergies in, but any breed of dogs can have allergies.
When should I consider prescription treatments?
I think anytime you start to see those symptoms, because generally dogs and cats are pretty good about hiding symptoms from us. So if you're starting to see that redness of their skin, the itching of the ears, it's probably time to get them seen.